Ever wondered what the future holds for Dogecoin? Well, in the world of cryptocurrency, it's been making some waves. Dogecoin, the crypto that started as a meme, has been showing strong performance, and it's not just a flash in the pan. It's currently standing tall, ranked 8th in the vast cryptocurrency market. And let's not forget about its impressive market cap, which is in the ballpark of $26 billion. Yes, you heard it right. Billion with a B. But what does this all mean for the future of Dogecoin? Well, that's where technical analysis comes into play. Technical analysis is like the crystal ball of the crypto world. It uses past market data, primarily price and volume, to predict future behavior. For Dogecoin, this analysis is showing signs of a potential bullish breakout. In simpler terms, it means that Dogecoin could be on an upward trajectory, with prices expected to rise. Now, we should always approach these predictions with caution because in the volatile world of cryptocurrency, anything can happen. But the signs are positive. Dogecoin is showing resilience, and the indicators are pointing towards a potential uptick in value. It's like watching a racehorse before a big race. You see the potential, the strength, the fire in its eyes. You see the horse that could win the race, even if it started as an underdog. That's Dogecoin right now. It's the dark horse, the one that could surprise us all. The future of Dogecoin seems promising, but let's dive deeper into these technicalities. Resistance and support levels play a significant role in understanding a coin's performance. But what are they exactly? Put simply, resistance and support levels are key indicators used in technical analysis of cryptocurrencies, just like Dogecoin. They help traders identify potential points on a price chart, where a cryptocurrency's price is likely to experience pressure, resulting in a possible trend change. Let's think of resistance levels as a ceiling that a cryptocurrency struggles to break through. When the price of a coin, like Dogecoin, approaches this level, it's often seen as a selling point, which can result in the price falling back down. Currently for Dogecoin, this resistance level stands at around $0.2011. This means that reaching and surpassing this price point could be a challenge for Dogecoin in the short term. On the flip side, support levels can be seen as a floor that a cryptocurrency's price struggles to fall below. It's a point where buyers often step in, believing the coin is undervalued, leading to increased demand and hence a price rise. For Dogecoin, the current support level is around $0.1488. This suggests that if Dogecoin's price falls towards this level, we might see a surge in buying activity, pushing the price back up. In essence, these resistance and support levels serve as crucial psychological markers for traders and investors. They allow us to predict potential price movements and help us make informed decisions about when to buy and sell. Applying these concepts to Dogecoin, we can see that there is a tug of war between buyers and sellers, with the coin's price dancing between these two levels. Understanding these levels can give us a clearer picture of Dogecoin's market performance. And, as always, remember that while these tools can be helpful, they're not infallible. Market dynamics are influenced by a plethora of factors, so it's essential to consider these levels as part of a broader investment strategy rather than the sole determinant of your trading decisions. Market sentiment is currently bearish for Dogecoin, but can we expect a trend transition soon? The cryptosphere is a volatile place, with market sentiments shifting as quickly as the wind changes direction. Presently, the winds of the market are blowing in a bearish direction for Dogecoin. In simpler terms, the overall attitude of investors toward this digital currency is somewhat pessimistic. This is reflected in the price trends, with more people selling than buying, leading to a dip in Dogecoin's price. A bearish market is not necessarily a bad thing, it's just part of the game. The ebb and flow of the cryptosphere. But the question on everyone's mind is, can we expect a trend transition soon? Is a bullish market on the horizon for Dogecoin? The answer might be hiding in plain sight. Let's look at some indicators. There's been a noticeable surge in Dogecoin wallet addresses and transaction fees. This is more than just numbers. It's a sign of growing interest and heightened on-chain activity. More people are getting involved, more transactions are taking place. This is the kind of activity that often precedes a trend transition. Think of it like this: the bearish market is like a coiled spring, storing potential energy as more and more people get involved with Dogecoin. At some point, that spring could uncoil, releasing all that potential energy and propelling Dogecoin into a bullish phase. However, it's important to remember that while these indicators are promising, nothing in the crypto world is set in stone. It's a domain of possibilities, not certainties. But one thing is for sure, the signs are there. Dogecoin could be gearing up for a bullish breakout. Predicting the future of a cryptocurrency is no easy task, but we can make educated guesses based on the data we have. As we look forward into the next decade from 2024 to 2033, we see a complex and fascinating landscape for Dogecoin. Market analysts have been working diligently to create long-term price predictions. And while these should always be approached with a healthy dose of skepticism, they do provide us with interesting insights. Dogecoin, which has been showing a strong performance in the crypto market, currently ranks 8th. Technical analysis indicates a potential bullish breakout, but the market sentiment is bearish at the moment. However, a transition to a bullish trend is possible, and this is where the intrigue lies. Now let's talk about interest. The recent surge in Dogecoin wallet addresses and transaction fees has led to a 2-year high. This indicates a growing interest in Dogecoin and a flourishing on-chain activity. As more and more people participate, the coin's popularity grows, creating a positive feedback loop. And as we know, in the world of cryptocurrency, popularity can often translate into value. But what does this mean for Dogecoin's future? Well, it's a sign of potential growth. As the community expands and the coin becomes more mainstream, we could see an increase in the demand for Dogecoin. This could potentially drive up the price, and as a result, make it an even more attractive option for investors and users alike. However, it's important to remember that cryptocurrency is a volatile and unpredictable market. While these indicators are promising, they are not a guarantee. The future of Dogecoin, like all cryptocurrencies, is not set in stone. It's shaped by a multitude of factors, many of which are impossible to predict with absolute certainty. While the future of Dogecoin is not set in stone, its current performance and the market trends suggest a promising outlook.